Now I want you to imagine, what if you can make money online just by reading? In this video, I'm going to show you and teach you how to make $200 up to $1,000 by reading words online. You might be wondering why you should watch this video. First of all, the tactics today is 100% free and is working worldwide. Secondly, you'll learn everything you need to begin getting started, all the process, all the information, the step-by-step strategy, so that you can begin earning after watching this video. And also, you'll see exactly how much you can make and how easy it is, and you're gonna regret it if you close this video and miss out on this opportunity. But before all that, make sure you smash that subscribe button and click on that notification bell as well, so that you wouldn't miss any video from me that could help you make more money. And if you need more information about making money online, I would leave that down in the first link under the video description as well. Now before I show you all the step-by-step strategy, I want you to take a look at this. I want you to see with your own eyes just how much money you can actually make. I'm really excited because this opportunity is going to give you so much money just by reading. I'll show you exactly how it works. You don't need any experience, any technical excuse, or any qualifications to do this at all. Now, look at this. $1,000 for 30 minutes or up to 45 minutes, and we just calculate on the upper end. We need an hour, 45 minutes, and we're gonna make $1,000 consistently on the minimum end. So let's go on to the online calculator and see $1,000 divided by 45 minutes. You're able to make $22 per minute. Do it for an hour and you get 1,000. Now, I want you to imagine, real quick, working for 1 hour and making $1,000. How could that change your life, right? How could you use that money? That's a lot of money, and I'll show you exactly how to do that. But you have to watch this video until the very end, because I'll show you a few strategies and how to sign up, how to get approved, how to make more money even if you spent the least amount of time. This is very important, and I want you to pay 100% attention because a lot of people do it wrongly, and at the end of the day, they're not making any money, and I don't want that to happen to you. So first of all, I want you to go to Voicescom. Once you land on this website, you will see this. They've been featured on Microsoft, Shopify, Discovery Channel, GoDaddy, Hulu, Cisco, and Los Angeles Times. So many big brands and companies that are definitely legit, so they're paying out to people every single day. You're gonna receive all the payments in PayPal, a check, or straight into your bank account. So many different methods, and it works in different countries. So basically, on these websites, they're gonna give you a lot of different projects from different categories, and I'll show you which categories you should pick on that's gonna give you the most amount of money, and also you can select on the whole list of different projects. I'll show you what it looks like. So once you select your favorite project, they're gonna give you the script, the templates, the book, all the words that you're gonna read word by word, and you have to record your voice, and they'll pay money depending on how long the project is. You can do it for 20 minutes or you can do it for an hour. Whatever it is, there are unlimited jobs on these platforms because there are a lot of websites out there that you can do some jobs on, but they are not consistent. Maybe today you're not making any money at all because the other job is so limited, but on Voices.com, there are so many categories. There are so many jobs that you can pick up, even if you have like 5 minutes a day, even if you don't have a lot of time, maybe you only have 15 minutes or 30 minutes, you can still pick up certain jobs. You can do it, and you can instantly earn all this money by reading. And the second question that I receive is that, what if I don't have a microphone? Because all you need is just a basic earphone. You can use your iPhone, you can use your Android phone, you can record using your voice by speaking to your phone, and you don't have to show your face, you don't have to show your identity. They're just going to use your voice on the ebook, on the audiobook, on the TV, on their videos, and they want to hire people like you and me to just speak out loud, read all of these words and scripts. We don't even have to write anything. We just have to read out all of the books and scripts that they provide us, so that's all you need. Now let's go back to the website. I'll show you how we could sign up, and also how we could get approved, get verified, and also how we can find the best projects that's going to give you the most amount of money, and how we can actually apply for different jobs and getting paid right after watching this video. So now step number 1. I want you to hover your mouse and go on, click on the sign up button on the top right hand corner. Once you click on this one to pop up a new page, you're going to see two options right here. Find work as a talent and hire talent for your projects. In this case, we're going to find work as a talent to read out those words. We'll select the second option and we have to put our name, our email, our phone numbers, and also a username. You can put whatever it is, just click on this, agree to the terms and conditions, and click on continue button, or you can just use your Google account, your Gmail account. That's all you need. So after you sign up for a free account, you're going to see many different jobs on your dashboard. Once you log in, for example, e-learning, explainer video, cartoon, audiobooks, digital advertising, video games, there are so many different categories. So right now I'm going to show you which are the categories that have the most amount of jobs, very suitable for any beginners. And it's working in different countries from the US, India, Nigeria, the Philippines. They're working from all over the world. Now, the number one category that you should pick on is audiobooks. Audiobooks give you so much money, and the second one, which is an explainer video, they're going to pay you the second most amount of money. And also, last but not the least, the third recommended category is video games. Okay, so I want to just focus on audiobooks, explainer videos, and also video games because these are the top 3 categories that have the most amount of jobs and at the same time pay you the most amount of money with the least amount of time spent. So for example, we're going to select audiobooks. Click on that to pop up a new page. Here are some of the examples of people working online, working from all over the world that's making money at Voices.com, and they're male, they're female, they are people from different countries. So I know that I have a lot of subscribers from the US, from India, from the Philippines, from Nigeria, from Pakistan. So right now you can see the language section. You can see they accept people who want to read online from maybe from the British, from North America, maybe you're speaking Hindi. Okay, you can speak in Hindi. They still want to hire you, so no matter where you are. And they offer jobs even in Africa, English Africa, South Africa. There are so many job opportunities. You can begin reading online on Voices.com by reading those scripts, reading those words, and getting paid depending on the hours that you're working in. So if you want to make more money, you're going to select a job that maybe has 45 minutes at least, so that you're going to get paid $1,000 every time you do one project. Okay, so I'm going to show you some of the job opportunities that are available once you log in. This is on the back office. As you can see here, there are so many jobs that you can participate in. Let me scroll down like unlimited, right? So, for example, today there are over 145 jobs that you can pick up, and every single day they'll keep on refreshing this page so you can keep on logging in and see which one you prefer. As I told you, the most recommended category for Voices.com is on audiobooks. So let me show you what quick examples using audiobooks and see how much they're paying us. As you can see right here, $1,000 compared to other jobs, $100, $125. Usually projects around audiobooks, when you read those books, they're going to give you all the scripts, all the templates. You just have to read them up and record using your phone, and you're going to get paid $1,000 by doing that. And also, the second most famous category is around video games. So this is one of an example of the script around video games that they're going to give you. So once you select a project around video games, this is the sample script they're going to give you, and you have to read that. So they're going to show you who the client is, what is the age, gender, male or female, and some of the job description. They're going to describe what you should do. So for example, you can see here, young hero wakes up with a yawn. The family pet, Cloudsy, runs to the feet of a young hero in a frenzy. Good morning, Cloudsy, you little ball of cloud fluff, you. So these are some of the examples of the script that they're going to give you for free, and you just have to read them out, and you're going to get paid by doing that. So if you actually download their apps on the Google Play Store or your iPhone App Store, this is what it's going to look like. They give you a script to record on your phone. You can record your voice, you can read them out loud. That's how it makes things so simple. You can download this on the Google Play Store and Apple App Store. You can search on Voices.com. The logo should look like this, and you can download it for free and you can begin working on that. They're going to show you the client's agreements and also some of the jobs that when you pick them out. For example, this one, international car commercial. they're gonna show you that you're gonna get paid if you read this audiobook out loud. As you can see, there's so many job opportunities for you, even if you're coming from different parts of the world. And that is it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for future videos. And with that, I'll see you on the next video.